In this video today, I'm going to walk you through a process that is going to help you create a UK TikTok account right here from Nigeria or anywhere in the world. So if you were looking for a way to create a UK TikTok account for your content creation or anything at all that you need a UK TikTok account for, I'm going to walk you through how to get one for yourself and how you can do it for people in the online space. All will be break down to you in today's video, right? All you need to get this done is your smartphone like this or your laptop computer and your email, right? So I'm going to walk you through everything. Even if you want to verify your phone number, I'm going to show you a platform where you are going to get your phone number to verify your TikTok account so you can use this seamlessly without anything. And if you watch this video to the very end, I'm going to walk you through other processes that you can use to make money with your new UK TikTok account, right? And if that being said, guys, let's dive on screen and I'll walk you through all of this process, right? So all you need to do once you get on your browser is to go over to tiktok.com, and as you can see, it's loaded up already. So you click on login right here and you are going to wait for that to load up. So right here you can see sign up. So you are going to hit sign up. Once you hit sign up, you are going to click on use phone or email. So you can see this sign up. All you need to do now to get your TikTok to be in UK is to change this location. You can see this is located in Nigeria. You click on this and you just take it to UK, United Kingdom, right? So let's wait for that. All right, so done. Once you click that, you can see it's going to be in the UK. So now you change this to our email address. Now you put in your date of birth. So I'm just going to select something randomly, although on February 20, but I'm going to select a random year. Then email address, I'm going to come over right here and copy this email address, right? So paste, then I'm going to use a password. All right. Okay, they say the character. All right, so now I'm going to send code. So once I click send code, they are going to send the code to my email. So right here you can see, okay, it's in my mail already. Now you are going to copy this and you are going to paste this right here. Then you can get recommendation, or if you don't want to, once I just click next, and now we are going to choose a username. So I'm just going to choose IOOE pass. So I'm going to sign off. Now we have a UK TikTok account, right? So but how are we going to show this is a UK TikTok account? All you need to do, let me just select randomly here. So for us to show like we've created a UK TikTok account, I'm going to log in on my phone now. So we are going to pass through the verification and we are going to see if we add the content to the watch option, right? So right here on my phone, we want to log in the TikTok account. So I'm just going to click on login right here. So I'm going to click add an account. Then I'm going to continue with email. Then I'm going to switch this to email. So I'm going to put in the email address, which is ezbuilderx, all right, at gmail.com. Now I'm going to continue. So as you can see right here, so they send a verification email to my email. So I'm just going to check that on here, and I have it. This is 979506, right? So now it's going to log us in. Now we are inside the account, right? So this is what we are going to do to be sure that this account is in UK, right? We are going to click on right here, click on TikTok Studio, and we are going to come over to the monetization section, and you can see right here we have the content reward program. All right, so you can see this the eligibility that we have to pass to make money directly with this particular TikTok account, right? Now, how can you sign up to a TikTok account on your phone? I'm going to show you that in seconds, but then let me show you how to pass through the verification process. So you need to do right from here is to come over right here to settings, accounts, then account information. You are going to add your UK phone number, right? So we are going to use 0SMS platform to get our UK phone number for our TikTok account, right? So 0SMS is a platform that provides you with all of social media phone number that you can use to verify your online service. So 0SMS is a platform where you can get every of online virtual number to verify all of your online service without any stress, and it's something you can do at affordable price, right? Now, if you come over right here to 0sms.com, then you click on sign in right here. So once you click sign in, you are going to be redirected to this page where you log into your account and you can just sign up right there. And right from here, you can just click on add balance to add a balance to your account. So after that, you are going to come over to SMS service, and right here you are going to look for TikTok, right? So once you get on TikTok, you are going to select United Kingdom right here, and you're going to click on purchase, and you are going to have your phone number right here. Now on your phone, this is what you are going to do, is to go over to United Kingdom right here. Then you have this, so you click on OK right here, you click on view, so you can have your phone number as you can see. So this is 730, right, and 8833612. So I'm going to click continue, and you can see they've sent the code to this particular phone number, so we are waiting for the code to come in a few seconds, right? Now, so this usually take like 20 seconds before they get the code, and we are going to wait for that a little bit so we can get the code, right? Now, so this is how you verify your TikTok phone number. It is without any stress. You don't need to pay anybody for this account creation, right? So we are still waiting for the code to come in right here. It's still loading up. So here we go. We have our verification code, which is 132983, right? So this is incorrect. I think, okay, I'm the one that makes mistake. 983, right? So as you can see right here, our phone number has been added. So it's just something easy and simple to do. Now, if you want to create a TikTok account on your phone right here, all you need to do, let me just switch this account, is to come over right here and you change the location. Is going to be in Nigeria by default. So you change it to UK. It's because I've changed this to United Kingdom on this phone before. That's why it's showing like this. So then you click on continue with email. You put in your email address. Then once you log in, just go over to the section for the content role to be sure like your account is truly in the UK, and after verify your phone number and you are good, right? So this is how you are going to create your TikTok account within few seconds, and is zero stress, right? Just make sure you follow everything I just showed you and do it correctly so you won't be logged out of your account. Add the phone number and pay close attention to your email every other time, right? So if you get best value of this video, I want you to subscribe to this channel, turn on the bell notification, share with your friend. Now, I promise you guys that I'm going to share with you 2 ways you can use to make money to your TikTok account. And the first one is the business side of it, right? Now, the business side of it is you creating TikTok accounts like this, are you selling it, right? So it's possible you can just grow this account to like 1,000 followers, right? And you can just start selling it from 20,000 naira, 30,000 naira, 40,000 naira, or your WhatsApp, right? You can always use this by 0 SMS to get code for your verifications, right? And what I'm going to explain again is how you can turn 0 SMS to business by just getting paid by people to help them verify online service. You provide them their phone number, they verify the online service, they pay you for that. So I've made a video about that. You can see that showing up right here. And the other thing that you can use to make money with your UK TikTok account, aside from the creator reward, is using WAP, right? So WAP is a clipping platform that people go over to list out their clipping. So you just post the video, short clips of people, and you can get to use that to make money. I think they pay up to $10 per 1,000 views, and you can even earn more. So if you want me to make a detailed video on how you can start up on WAP and make some money for yourself, drop WAP in the comment section, and I'm going to get the video done once I have high demand of that, right? So just subscribe to this channel for more video like this, and drop a comment if you want me to shoot the video about WAP, and I will see you in the next video. Before you go, don't forget to click the first link in the description below to join my WhatsApp community. So that's where we get to share updates, discuss, and solve real problem in real time without coming over to YouTube almost every time, right? So join the community today, and we'll see you in the next video.